Hi everyone, hi YouTube. Hope you all are doing so great. Today we are going to do a fashion study exercise, that is textures creating exercise, which is going to be like we are going to create pattern from the textures. And as I have created from the cloud, and I was be able to visualize something in the cloud, and that I have drawn to use a pattern. And you can use that pattern in many other ways, and you can create many more patterns from that pattern, which is going to be very different from the market. And it is like a way of creating new pattern without inspiration can be your surface, but without any hassle. That means basically, otherwise inspiration having a lot of ways to do, like inspiration board, mood board, color board. Here cloud was my inspiration, so I clicked this picture and I drawn this and removed rest of my area. So I'm doing this on Procreate. As with the help of selecting tool, I'm sizing this picture. Now I'm duplicating the same picture, so I can flip horizontal and join it carefully, because this mirror effect going to make your next mirror effect. So now just go to the layers again, select both and group it in one group. Choose the new group and make a duplicate. Select the new group, select vertical option, flip it vertical and join it together. Now you have 4 side mirror effect image. Now you're going to duplicate this image and create a pattern to print out, or to create new inventions. I have created 2 more new pattern from the same pattern here. In a seek of finding more new patterns, I tried one more experiment to create one more new pattern. I created it. So this is the one more way of using the pattern I'm using on my design here. Enjoy this video. And this is the easiest way to create a new pattern. Maybe it inspires you somewhere, and let's see how you can create out of it, how you can inspire yourself from my video. And I will be really helpful to know your comments, because a teacher, I mean whoever teaches you, they need some help from the learners to exercise more on the same patterns, same topics, and that will be really helpful for me. Do comment, like, share.